Hello and welcome to my random Star Trek videos. In this long series of videos I'll be creating a Klingon character that resembles one of my friends and going through the game with him. Any questions? Leave them below. Okay, last time we left off, we had done this trick where we got so far into the game, then we skipped every single mission in the game so we can do any mission we want from square one. I'm only level 7. We're about to do a mission called Beyond the Nexus.
Good to see you. Looks like the two missing ships are here, although they're both in a disabled state. Neither of them have responded to our hails.
Geordi LaForge.
That's entirely possible. Even minimal exposure to the Nexus can be pretty disruptive to ship systems. I think we should take a closer look. Things could be worse than our initial scans have indicated.
Of course they are. Okay, now that's a Galaxy class starship right there, and that right down there, that's an Ambassador class. Both of these ships can technically take on 3 of me at once and just wipe the floor with it.
Apologies. This ship's taken some damage here. Short-range comms are barely working, and we're experiencing widespread systems failure on all decks. Our Nexus defense screen's overloaded, and we were exposed to a full blast. We're lucky to be here. We could use your help.
Something's not right here.
No shit,
I worked
Sherlock.
on the Nexus Defense Screens project, and a catastrophic failure like that seems unlikely. In an overload situation like she described, the ship wouldn't be disabled. It'd be destroyed.
Well, let's hail the other one then, huh? Oh, they're powering up weapons. And we lose our friend. Now we're alone.
Whatever they fired just disrupted most of our systems. What's an induction?
Take that, heathen! Guy's right shield down. Come alongside of him and slow down and hit him with a tachyon beam. Drain the shields even more. And they'll hit him with a torpedo spread. I almost got him. Swinging around to finish him off with the fucking dual cannons.
We're still trying to
Gotcha.
figure out what they hit us with over here. Whatever it was, it knocked most of our systems out. We're running on emergency power. I think we'd better get over there and find out what's going on while we still have a functioning ship between us. Meet me at these coordinates on deck 10.
You got it, Geordi.
Looks like someone activated the security system on this deck. Fortunately, I know a thing or two about that system. The console...
Yeah, the console. Let's go it. Let's do it.
This holodeck's damaged. Let's try the next one. Alright, let's get to work. With luck, we should be able to bypass the system and drop those... Wait. Someone's loading up a holodeck program in here, and I've got a feeling it's not for R&R.
Activating program Barclay 42 Epsilon. Safety protocols are disengaged.
Oh, Lord.
Please, help us! The Borg are
Gun turret. Lightning bolt.
Program's live. You'll have to survive the battle to lead. Last wave. Unless they change the program.
Oh, thank you. If there's anything I can do to repay you, anything at all.
Not with that face, honey.
That's definitely a Reg Barkley program. Let's get back to business. We'd better bypass security before they send more sparring partners to deal with.
Barkley. Oh god, now they're gonna make me do the puzzle.
Okay, that did it. Security systems are down on this deck, and they won't be putting us into another holodeck scenario anytime soon.
Good.
This is Commander to 5. Please respond. I repeat, if you can hear this, code to 10 forward at once. There's...
Someone's jamming that signal. We'd better get to 10 forward.
Yes. 10 forward it is. First we're pulling out the gun. This is where I order Matt to drop some landmines. I'm gonna put a gun turret right here and release the killer drone. I'm expecting an attack.
Thank you for coming. The Madison has been taken over.
Picking up transporter signals, multiple
Oh, my
contacts.
landmines disappeared.
Got incoming.
Enemy contacts inbound.
Lightning! Nothing we can't handle. Good about being a Klingon is the immense melee attack power. Yes. I suspect you are right because I am the main character of this game. And shit only works for me. Prepare for attack. First we will unleash the dog. Attack, everybody. The dog will cause confusion. And chaos, and then we will come in. And slaughter everybody. Look at this poor fool.
Watch it. They're beaming in reinforcements.
The dog is gone, I think. But soon we will summon the dinosaur. Summon the attack drone. Oh, shit.
Heads up. More hostiles incoming.
Summon the dinosaur. I have a T-Rex that shoots lasers out of its goddamn eyes.
You've got a couple of problems. Main power's offline, and there's a lot of Nexus.
Okay, everyone's down but us. Dinosaurs beam back to the ship. Kicked your asses.
Nice work. Radiation levels are back in the safe zone, and I've managed to prime the warp core. Give me a hand with it, and we can restore main power. That did it. Main power's back online, and the warp core is stable. I've activated most of the security systems, but it looks like the bridge is still under enemy control. Good bet. That's where the alien is.
Well, let's get on up there and kick the living shit out of that damn fool. We can't have him taking over the entire prize. Now, can we, boys? Come on, let's get him. We'll all go on without you then. Brr.
Starfleet disagrees with you on that.
Nice one-liner, Jordy. Oh,
We are
jeez.
here to assist you.
Lightning bolts, bitch. We will take them together, like Anakin Skywalker said in that one Star Wars movie. Oh, you got your ass handed to you, didn't you, boy?
I'm reading the alien on sensors. It's back on the forestall. The Challenger might be able to fight, but most of this ship's crew is unconscious. Beam back to your ship and deal with the forestall. I'll do what I can here to get the shields up and keep the Madison in one piece.
Not yet. I want to have a look around this Galaxy-class bridge. Have a seat here and there. Oh, we'll just have a seat in the captain's chair, won't we? Look at me. Look at me, I'm Captain Picard. I'm Commander Data. Let's have a look in the, oh, what do we have here? This is nice. Not as nice as my ready room, but nice. Yes. Sit here on a nice white couch in front of the painting of the ship that we're on. I'm the captain. Clean my socks. Tidy up my den. His bedroom here is like a closet. Excuse me, dear. Oh, the conference room. Oh, the back of the ship. Well, at least we know we're in that bubble on top of the disc. Pretty nice.
Shall the battle continue? Shall you strike me anew again and again until nothing remains?
What?
Once I was imprisoned within the Nexus, cast away for defying those who call themselves my rulers. And now a new jailer comes, demanding submission. No, I need this ship and everyone on it. They give me what I need to return home and avenge my imprisonment. I will not give them up.
Narcissist!
The Challenger stands ready to assist you.
Alright. Damn it. If I had Battle Cloak. Got me in a goddamn tractor beam, which means I could be completely screwed here. I can't pull free. Oh, I'm free. Okay. We're fighting a goddamn ambassador class vessel. Weapons battery. Torpedo spread. He's coming right at us. Oh, jeez Louise. Yeah, they're way bigger than this, by the way. Their shields are down. Those goddamn cruisers can knock out your shield systems for like 2 seconds. Oh no, he's got me in the tractor beam. Oh Jesus, I'm dying. Oh, if we can just get around and hit him with the torpedo spread. Shields up, shields up. Yes. Oh god, it didn't kill him. Gotta get out of range. Oh my god, he's sucking health out of me. And I don't have hazard emitters to stop him. Okay, we're gonna go cloak. Good, the Challenger's back in the fight. Alright. I think we got him now. As long as I keep the front shield up. Yes, we got him. He's down.
It seems I am at your mercy. Will you strike the killing blow now, as is your right? If that is to be my fate, I yield. The ship.
Yeah, he yields.
Nicely done. I was able to get a call into Starfleet, and we should have backup here soon. In the meantime, I'll keep working with the crews of the disabled ships. We'll have them up and running again in no time.
Good job.
You saved a lot of lives here today. You showed mercy to someone who wasn't inclined to return the favor. That goes a long way.
Thank you, Reading Rainbow. You're always one of my favorites.
You're welcome. The Nexus is definitely worth studying, but only under safe conditions. Crews of the Forrestal and the Madison found that out the hard way, I'm afraid. Just like we did on the Enterprise all those years ago.
You mean the 90s? The first task we kicked was a Galaxy-class vessel. As you can see, it's huge compared to us. We are but a little fly. Our ship only has 3 weapons. This one has 8. Yeah, so there's a size comparison. Look how teeny weeny we are. Let's fly over to the Forrestal over here. Okay, this ship is not as big as the Galaxy class. It's still really tough though. It was in one of the Star Trek movies, I can't remember which one. Very formidable for us. As you can see, it almost killed us. This thing a bird of prey. It's only got its forward-facing cannons, which are more powerful, but you can only shoot things in front of you. So you rely on speed and maneuverability, which I don't have yet because, you know, this is a tier 1 ship and I'm not even a lieutenant commander yet. But that's about to change after this. We should be a lieutenant commander and be getting a new ship. Oh yeah. And now I'm just going to get this console here that's going to give me... when I combined all this weapon and these console sets, I get boosts, which makes the ship way better than it normally be.
Serve the Empire well.
I will. Tune in next time for more action. We'll be getting a new ship and God knows what we'll be doing with it. Over and out. Oh man, you're gonna have to tune into the next episode to see what happens.